In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Netflix subscription. So to cancel your Netflix subscription, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Netflix app. Once you open up Netflix, you will need to choose a profile and you can click on any profile in this section here. So once you have clicked on a profile, what you need to do now is click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, you will now need to select account. Once you select account, what you need to do now is simply scroll down until you see cancel membership. Once you click on cancel membership, it will redirect you over to this page here, and as you can see, click finish cancellation below to cancel your membership. So what you can do is simply click on the finish cancellation button, and that will mean that your membership has now been cancelled and you will still be able to obviously enjoy movies and TV shows until your membership runs out. So it's just simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.